In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly insert random English or lorem ipsum text in Microsoft Word. This is a simple, built-in way to generate sample content for layouts, formatting tests, or demos. No add-ins required. We'll cover two options: random English text and classic lorem ipsum. The process is nearly identical for both, and it takes just a few keystrokes. First, let's create random English text. In your document, place your cursor exactly where you want the text to appear. Make sure you're on a new line and ready to type. Now, type the command =rand, followed by a pair of parentheses with nothing inside, like this, =rand. This tells Word to generate sample English paragraphs for you. If you want a specific amount, you can control it by adding two numbers inside the parentheses, separated by a comma. The first number is how many paragraphs you want, and the second number is how many sentences should be in each paragraph. For example, typing =rand 5003 will create 5 paragraphs, each with 3 sentences. After you've entered the command, press Enter. Word immediately replaces that line with your generated text, giving you instant content to work with. Now let's do the same thing with lorem ipsum, the traditional placeholder text used in design and publishing. Again, click to place your cursor where the text should go. Type the command =lorem with empty parentheses, lorem, out. If you need to control the amount, use the same paragraph and sentence format as before. For example, typing =lorem 5004 will create 3 paragraphs with 4 sentences each. Press Enter, and Word will insert the lorem ipsum text right away. A few quick tips to keep this smooth and reliable. Type the commands exactly as shown, starting with the = sign, and don't add extra spaces before or inside the parentheses. The comma between the numbers matters. Use 1 comma to separate the paragraph count from the sentence count. If you leave the parentheses empty, Word will still generate a default amount of text, which is handy when you just need something quick. And remember, the only difference between the two options is the word you use: rand for English text, lorem for lorem ipsum. That's all there is to it. With =rand and =lorem, you can populate a document in seconds, test your styles and layouts, and focus on design without worrying about content. Try both options and pick the one that best fits your project.